So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create such kind of Ghibli style photos on your phone. Now you can see such kind of photos are trending nowadays, the Ghibli style. So to do this, open Chrome on your phone and go to this website INS Mind. After going to this website, now just click this icon Ghibli. Now this sort of window is loaded. Now upload your photo. Let's do mine. I should upload this one. It's pretty girl. And then wait a moment. Now after uploading the image, the styles are shown here. The Ghibli 1, 2 and so on. So I prefer this 2 and click generate. Now after generating, there is a prompt for sign up. So I click continue with email and I put my email here and I put a random password. So that I put my password. Okay, so my password and I continue. So I received just code on my mail. So I okay, and let's go. So after signing up, you can see it's generating the picture, and that is taking a little bit of time. So we'll be waiting for that, and I'm just waiting. Let's see. So our image is being generated, and that is up to 63% for the Ghibli style. And let's wait. And finally we have our image. So you can see that is finally being created, and it's pretty good. So I can compare with this one, and you can see it's very pretty well done. So here is the download option. Click download, and you can see we just hold on the image and download image. So our image has been downloaded. Let's click open, and that's